plan was to unthread these. These are galvanized. And unthread these, put some Uponor adapters on, and just do a new shower valve that way. But this one's not looking so hot. That's blocked. Solid. Water's still coming out. There we go. Okay, everything's out. Now, let's prepare the shower valve. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Now, just gonna put a little press adapter right here. Already cleaned and reamed it. Okay. Uponor adapters, press adapters. Those are threaded adapters. Those are press adapters. That's a press adapter. I'm going to strap this one more time, probably right here. And then by that time, Carlos will be here and we're going to open up the tile and probably have to take, well, now if we open up the tile, we'll be all right. There you have it. Uponor. My guy Carlos is coming back. We're going to redo the tiles, which are right there and right there. And then I'll put the trim plate on and all that and clean up and we're good.